not a linear molecule. It is actually bent. As you can see from the small diagram, electrons are not evenly distributed around the atoms in the water, which makes it polar. There are 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. The bent angle between them is 105 degrees. The pattern is hydrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, with the 105-degree angle. Polar substances dissolve in other polar substances. In other words, like dissolves like. Nonpolar will dissolve nonpolar, and polar will dissolve polar. However, a polar substance will not dissolve a nonpolar substance. Nonpolar compounds contain both carbon and hydrogen. Now let's try an example problem. Will these substances mix? Sodium nitrate and water. Sodium nitrate and water will dissolve in each other because they are ionic and polar respectively. Next, will iodine and water dissolve in each other? They will not. Iodine is a nonpolar substance and water is a polar substance. A solute is a substance that dissolves into the solvent, and a solvent is a substance into which the solute dissolves. When you have an aqueous solution, it means that there is water in the solvent. Let's discuss electrolytes. There are 3 types of electrolytes: strong electrolytes, weak electrolytes, and non-electrolytes. Strong electrolytes have a very high conductivity and a degree of dissociation that is total, which means that they dissolve completely. Weak electrolytes have very low conductivity. Their degree of dissociation is partial, which means that they only lightly dissolve. And then non-electrolytes have no conductivity, have a degree of dissociation close to 0, and they do not dissolve.